Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to be looking at mock-ups. Mock-ups for your business, your products, your services, your design, your digital products. You can create mock-ups in Canva. These are great for physical products. Canva's mockup generator can help you to visualize your design on products like business cards, mugs, or t-shirts. Really helpful for your marketing materials or when previewing ideas before sending them to print. You can really get a good idea of what it's going to look like. And you can use the app mockups in Canva to do this very, very simply. And I'm going to show you how today. Here we are on my screen on my Canva account. Now, what I've actually done is I've got a design already prepared. It's this little one here. Enjoy the little things. So this is going to be my product photo, my digital product image, whatever it is that you actually want to put into a mock-up, you need in your Canva account, use the upload section on the left-hand side as a image file, PNG file will be perfect for this because then you can drag and drop it into Canva's mock-up templates. So I've already created this. Now I want to know, how do you actually put this into a mock-up so it looks amazing? I can use it on my socials, I can use it to promote my product, I can use it to promote my services. Anything I want to do, I actually want to put this into a mock-up. At the moment, I mean, it looks lovely. Enjoy the little things with some yellow flowers, blue background, but it doesn't really sell it. And that's what we want to do. So over on the left-hand side, you need to go to the app section because the mock-ups are in the apps. Type in mock-up, and it's the first one here, this blue one that's split in half. There are other different types of mock-up apps in Canva, but this is the one we're using today. And it's so simple because it just gives you all of the mock-ups straight away. So it will tell you what's popular, different video mock-ups you can actually use, smartphones, print, apparel, computers, frames, home and living, packaging. So if you're creating labels for a drinks company, for example, which you can do in Canva, you can use the mock-ups here, and there's lots of different ones. So I'm going to have a look at a few of these and I'm going to show you what you can do. So under videos, I'm going to click see all. And now I've got lots of different videos. If you hover the mouse over them, it will then show you a quick clip of the video in action. There's one here of a lady with a tote bag on her shoulder. I like this one. I'm going to select that and I will show you what we can do with it. What it has done is it has instantly taken my design because I already had that particular design open, and it has put it into, if I make it a bit bigger, you can see it. It's put it into the video mock-up for me. So if I press play, my design is now on a tote bag. So if you were wanting to create some designs for tote bags, this would be a perfect mock-up for you. It will fill the design automatically, or I can click fit and it will just slightly crop it for me. And then if I click apply changes, it will then just update the video that's already in my design for me. And it's changed it for me. It's slightly smaller. So in my view, fill will be better because it makes it bigger within the design. I can detach the image if I think to myself, actually, no, that's not the one I want. I can move it out the way and I can go into my uploads folder and I can find another design. Let's try something completely different here. So we've got this one here, lots of t-shirt mock-up. So if you're a t-shirt designer, for example, and you want to create some designs for t-shirts, but you need amazing mock-ups to be able to promote them, they can be expensive to have photo shoots. So you could use these. I really like this one. I think that's nice. I'm going to delete the video and I'm going to use this one. Now, what we've actually done is my image is no longer on here. So I can go and find my image now. It's just another way of doing it. Add your image in first, find your mock-up, it will automatically add it in for you. Or if you're not sure, you can find the mock-up first and then insert the image. So if we go over to my uploads, click my design and drag and drop into my mock-up. and it's automatically done it for me. It's sized it and everything for me. And now I've got an amazing mock-up of my new t-shirt design. You can do this on other different types of products as well. We looked at cans and different drinks. Let's have a look at one of them. Go back to the app section, click on mock-up. I want to change this mock-up. So I would like a can packaging, for example, different presents, labels, paper bags, bottles, all sorts of different things. So depending on what you do, these ones here would be brilliant. If you're someone who does, say, freshly ground coffee, you could then put your design straight onto the packaging and you've got amazing mock-ups ready for you. Snack bars and posters and all sorts of stuff here. Right, I'm going to go for a can. I want to see how it's going to look if I drag my design into the can. Now, what I've actually done with my photo, with my design, it has a transparent background. As you can see, it's slightly checkered around the outside here. So if I click that and drag and drop, I believe it will just be now that is interesting. I'm not sure if I like that. Not all designs will work with every mock-up. That has stretched it far too big in my view, and it's not great. So I probably wouldn't use that for my design. Let's go back to mock-ups. Fit. Let's say fit, apply changes, and just see if it makes it better. There we go. That is better. I can move this around in my design, so I'm thinking it's slightly too big here. So if I move it down a bit, click apply changes, and it brings it down. So now it's looking better. As I said before, it's got a transparent background on this image, so it's actually giving me the silver of the can. If I'd given it a color, the actual color of the can will change as well, but this image has a transparent background. So as you can see, there's lots of different things you can do with mock-ups. You don't have to have ones with just a plain white background either. You can have all different types. Okay, so let's take that out. So for example, we have some computers here. These actually have backgrounds in them. They're not just plain white. We could take one of these. Let's go for one without a white background. There's this one here. If I right click on the video or the mock-up, I've actually got this option here. So it says apply colors to page. It will take the main color out of this mock-up and it will apply it to the background of the page. So you can actually color the background as well to match your mock-up. So you don't need to change the colors or try and find the colors yourself. So if we head back over to my uploads, there's my design. I've got some other ones here as well. These are images that I could also add in. I'm going to try this one and see what it looks like in here. And you've got it into your computer screen. What about this one? There we go. So now you can add some text on the bottom here. It could be a travel agency, for example. Maybe you are promoting your new flights that you've got, new holiday packages, anything like that. You can now add them into a mock-up. So there we go. There is a few examples of the different types of mock-ups that you can create so quickly in Canva. You really can. They are fantastic. You drag and drop your images. It does have to be an image. As I mentioned, it does have to be an image rather than an element or something from Canva. Use an image and it will go into these mock-ups seamlessly. There we go. I hope you have enjoyed that. I hope that you're going to take something away and actually go and use these mock-ups for your products, for your designs, because they are really useful. Just a super quick video on different mock-ups and what you can use and how you can use them. I thought this may be of interest for anyone that is a product-based business, but also can be used for service-based businesses as well. As I mentioned in there, you could do all sorts of things with these, especially the computer screen ones. They are great for adding in you could even take a screenshot of your desktop if it's got your business on it, your website, for example, and drag and drop it into those computer mock-ups. Then you've got a lovely design you can add some information to and you can use it on your social media, but it gives you that option to have something really, really quickly for your business, so you don't have to go and set up your living room full of props to try and get this type of design for your business. You can do it all so easily in Canva. So I really hope that's helpful today and that you do make use of those mock-ups.